Dear students, welcome to you all. Today I am going to start the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. Dear students, the word trigonometry is derived from the Greek words tri, meaning three, gon, meaning sides, and metron, meaning measure. In fact, trigonometry is the study of relationships between the sides and angles of a triangle. In this chapter, we will study some ratios of the sides of a right triangle with respect to its acute angles called trigonometric ratios of the angle. We will restrict our discussion to acute angles only. However, these ratios can be extended to other angles also. We will also define the trigonometric ratios for angles of measure 0 degree and 90 degree. We will calculate trigonometric ratios for some specific angles and establish some identities involving these ratios called trigonometric identities. Now, first we will discuss trigonometric ratios. Let angle ABC equal to theta be any acute angle. Take any point P on AB, draw PQ perpendicular on BC. Thus, a right triangle PQB is formed in which base equal to PQ, perpendicular equal to base equal to BQ, perpendicular equal to PQ, and hypotenuse equal to BP. Here we denote perpendicular as capital P, base as capital B, and hypotenuse as capital H. With reference to angle theta, we define the following ratios known as trigonometric ratios. Sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is equal to PQ by BP and it is written as sin theta. Cosine theta equal to base by hypotenuse. This is equal to BQ by BP and is written as cos theta. Third, tangent theta is equal to perpendicular by base. This is equal to PQ by BQ and is written as tan theta. Fourth, cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. This is equal to BP by PQ and is written as cosec theta. Fifth, secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. This is equal to BP by PQ and is written as sec theta. And sixth, cotangent theta is equal to base by perpendicular. This is equal to BQ by PQ and is written as cot theta. Means there are 6 trigonometric ratios given as sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Now we discuss a relation between trigonometric ratios. From the definition of trigonometric ratios, we get from the figure sin theta is equal to PQ by BP, cos theta is equal to BQ by BP and tan theta is equal to PQ by BQ. The first relation is quotient relation. Now tan theta equal to PQ by BQ, and this can be written as PQ by BP by BQ by BP, and from above PQ by BP is sin theta and BQ by BP is cos theta. So tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Similarly, cot theta equal to BQ by PQ, base by perpendicular, and this is equal to 1 by tan theta. Means tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta, and product of tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Now reciprocal relations. Tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta. Means tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Similarly, sec theta and cosec theta are reciprocals to each other. Sec theta is equal to BP by BQ, and this can be written as 1 by BQ by BP, and from above we get BQ by BP equal to cos theta. So sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, and product of sec theta and cos theta equal to 1. That is cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. Thus sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, and cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. Similarly, cosec theta equal to BP by PQ, hypotenuse by perpendicular. This is equal to, means this can be written as 1 by PQ by BP, and this is equal to 1 by sin theta. From above we get PQ by BP equal to sin theta. So cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, and product of cosec theta and sin theta, that is sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. Therefore cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, and sin theta is equal to cosec theta. Means cosec theta and sin theta both are reciprocals to each other. Dear students, how can we easy to learn? Here we have given in table form, that is add to memory. The sequence is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and it speaks as Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bol, and in reverse the sequence is cosec theta, sec theta, and cos theta, and we can speak Har Har Bol Pandit Badri Prasad. That is sin theta is equal to P by H, cos theta is equal to B by H, and tan theta is equal to P by B. Pandit Badri Prasad. For sin theta, Pandit P; for cos theta, Badri B; and for tan theta, Prasad P. And denominator, for sin theta Har, for cos theta Har, and for tan theta Bol. So Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bol. In sequence we can write sin theta equal to P by H, cos theta is equal to B by H, tan theta is equal to P by B. And in reverse we can write Har Har Bol Pandit Badri Prasad, means cosec theta is equal to H by P, sec theta is equal to h by b and cot theta is equal to b by p. Alter. For add to memory, we can say that sin theta equal to p by h, cos theta equal to b by h, and tan theta is equal to p by b. That is, some people have curly brown hair turning permanently black. Means in this way we can learn the trigonometric ratios sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and reciprocals of these, that is cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. Now we will discuss the value of trigonometric ratios. Here, this is a theorem. The value of trigonometric ratios remains the same for the same angle of different right triangles. Means if acute angles are same for different right triangles, then the trigonometric ratio remains the same. Now we start proof. Draw a right triangle ABC. We take a point P on the hypotenuse AC of right triangle ABC and draw PQ perpendicular on AB. Now in triangle ABC and triangle AQP we have angle B is equal to angle Q, each is 90 degree. Angle A equal to angle A, it is common in both right triangles. So we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AQP. This is the symbol of is to similar by AA similarity criterion. Dear students, if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. So using this concept, we can say that their corresponding sides of these triangles are proportional, and this is implies that AB by AQ is equal to AC by AP equal to BC by QP. Here we find three relations. One is AC by AP is equal to BC by QP. Second is AB by AQ is equal to BC by QP. And third is AB by AQ is equal to AC by AP. So first we find BC by AC equal to QP by AP. Means from the first relation AC by AP is equal to BC by QP, and we can write this BC by AC equal to QP by AP, and this is equal to sin A. From the above figure we can say. Similarly, the second relation AB by AQ is equal to BC by QP, and this can be written as AB by second relation is AB by AQ is equal to AC by AP, and on the basis of this we can write AB by AC is equal to AQ by AP, and this is equal to cos A. From the figure we can see. And third relation is AB by AQ is equal to BC by QP, and this can be written as BC by AB is equal to QP by AQ, and this is equal to tan A. We can easily see from the figure, and so on. This shows that the trigonometric ratios of angle A in triangle AQP do not differ from those of angle A in triangle ABC. Dear students, from our observations, it is now clear that the values of the trigonometric ratios of an angle do not vary with the length of the sides of the right triangles. If the angles remains the same, that is, it does not depend upon the size of the triangle. The trigonometric ratios depends upon the magnitude of the angle. Now, some remarks here. First, for the sake of convenience, we write sin theta whole square is equal to sin square theta. Cos theta whole square is equal to cos square theta. Sin theta whole cube is equal to sin cube theta. Cos theta whole cube is equal to cos cube theta. Tan theta to the power 4 is equal to tan to power 4 theta, and so on. Second, since the hypotenuse is the longest side in a right triangle, the value of sin A or cos A is always less than 1, or in particular equal to 1, means sin theta and cos theta, that is less than or equal to 1. Thank you.